Your gut controls everything: your mood, your energy, your immune system, and right now modern food is quietly destroying it. But here is the strange part. Thousands of years ago, people had no doctors, no hospitals, no medicine, and yet they lived strong. They healed fast. They stayed healthy. How? They used stew, not just any stew, special stews made from ancient ingredients that healed the body from the inside out. Today, science is finally catching up to what these ancient people already knew. In this video, I will show you 10 ancient healing stews, where they came from, what they contain, and why they are so powerful for your gut. Stay until the end, because stew number 10 might be the most powerful one ever discovered. Let's go. For thousands of years, across every culture and every continent, people cooked healing stews. In ancient China, in the Middle East, in Africa, in Europe, these were not just meals, they were medicine. Each stew was made with specific ingredients, chosen carefully to heal specific problems in the body. And the gut was always the #1 target, because ancient healers understood something very important. When your gut is healthy, your whole body is healthy. Modern science now agrees. So let's travel back in time and discover these 10 ancient healing stews, one by one. Stew number 1, bone broth stew. Origin: ancient Rome and Greece, over 2,500 years ago. This is probably the oldest healing stew in human history. Ancient healers would take animal bones, beef, chicken, lamb, and cook them slowly in water for many hours, sometimes all day, sometimes all night. What came out was a thick, golden liquid full of collagen, gelatin, and mineral. And for the gut, it is extraordinary. The gelatin in bone broth literally coats the walls of your gut. It seals small holes and reduces inflammation. Modern doctors now call this leaky gut. And bone broth is one of the best natural fixes. It also contains glycine, an amino acid that helps your gut lining repair itself. Simple ingredients, slow cooking, powerful healing. Stew number 2, miso soup stew. Origin: ancient Japan and China, over 2,300 years ago. In ancient East Asia, people ate miso every single day. Miso is made from fermented soybeans. It is salty. It is rich, and it is full of something your gut absolutely loves: probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria, and your gut needs them to function properly. When you eat miso, you are sending millions of healthy bacteria directly into your digestive system. Ancient Japanese people had some of the best gut health in the world, and miso was one of their biggest secrets. Today, science confirms that fermented foods like miso reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even boost your mental health because of the gut-brain connection. Stew number 3, turmeric lentil stew. Origin: ancient India, Ayurvedic medicine, over 3,000 years ago. In ancient India, healers used a system called Ayurveda. They believed the gut was the center of all health, and their most powerful gut-healing stew was made from lentils and turmeric. Lentils are full of fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. But turmeric is the real hero here. It contains a compound called curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory substances ever discovered. Inflammation in the gut causes bloating, pain, and disease. Curcumin fights that inflammation directly. Ancient Indian healers used this stew to treat stomach pain, poor digestion, and even liver problems. Today, there are thousands of scientific studies confirming what they already knew. Stew number 4, garlic and onion broth. Origin: ancient Egypt and the Middle East, over 4,000 years ago. Garlic is one of the oldest medicines in human history. Ancient Egyptians gave garlic to workers building the pyramids to keep them strong and healthy. And their healing broth was simple: garlic, onion, water, and herbs cooked slowly together. Both garlic and onion contain a compound called inulin, a type of fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria. They also contain allicin, a natural antibacterial compound that kills harmful bacteria in your gut. Think about that. Garlic literally kills the bad bacteria while feeding the good one. It is one of the most intelligent foods nature ever created, and people were using it 4,000 years ago. Stew number 5, ginger root stew. Origin: ancient China, over 2,500 years ago. In traditional Chinese medicine, Ginger was called the universal medicine, and it was always used in stew. Why? Because ginger is one of the most powerful anti-nausea and anti-bloating foods on the planet. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which calm the muscles in your digestive system. If your gut is cramping, bloating, or feels uncomfortable, ginger stew was the ancient answer. It also speeds up digestion. Food moves through your system faster, which means less bloating and less gas. Ancient healers used ginger stew for stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and even morning sickness. Today, ginger is one of the most studied natural remedies in the world, and the results always point to the same thing. It works. Hey, quick pause. If you are finding this useful, we are only halfway through, and the best stews are still coming. Do me a quick favor, hit the like button right now, and subscribe if you haven't yet. It helps this channel grow, and it tells me to make more videos like this. Okay, let's keep going. Stew number 6. Ethiopian berbere lentil stew. Origin: ancient Ethiopia, over 2,000 years ago. In Ethiopia, there is a spice blend called berbere. It is a mix of chili, ginger, coriander, fenugreek, and many other powerful spices. And for thousands of years, Ethiopians cooked it with lentils into a thick, rich stew. Every single spice in berbere has gut-healing properties. Fenugreek reduces inflammation. Coriander aids digestion. Chili boosts gut movement. But together, as a blend, they create something truly powerful. Studies show that Ethiopian populations who eat traditional berbere stews regularly have very low rates of digestive disease. This is not a coincidence. This is ancient wisdom working exactly as it was designed to. Stew number 7. Greek avgolemono. Origin: ancient Greece and the Ottoman Empire, over 1,500 years ago. This stew is unique. It is made from chicken broth, rice, lemon, and egg, and it was used for centuries as a healing meal, especially for people recovering from illness. Why does it heal the gut? The chicken broth provides collagen and minerals. The lemon provides vitamin C and helps your liver produce bile, which improves digestion. The egg provides easy-to-digest protein that repairs gut tissue. And the rice is a gentle, soothing food that calms an inflamed gut without irritating it. Together, these 4 simple ingredients create a complete gut-healing package. It is still popular in Greece today, and now you know exactly why. Stew number 8. West African pepper soup. Origin: West Africa, over 3,000 years ago. In West Africa, pepper soup is more than a meal. It is medicine. It is given to women after childbirth, to sick people recovering from fever, to people with digestive problems. The key ingredients are uziza leaves, African nutmeg, and hot peppers, all cooked with meat or fish in a light broth. Each ingredient plays a role. Hot pepper contains capsaicin, which stimulates digestion, kills harmful gut bacteria, and reduces gut inflammation. African nutmeg has antimicrobial properties, meaning it fights infections in your gut. Uziza leaves improve gut movement, helping food pass through smoothly. This stew is a complete gut treatment, built over thousands of years of observation and wisdom. Stew number 9. Persian ash reshte. Origin: ancient Persia, modern Iran, over 2,500 years ago. Ash reshte is one of the most complex and powerful healing stews in history. It contains chickpeas, lentils, kidney beans, spinach, parsley, turmeric, and Persian noodles, all cooked together in one thick pot. This is a gut-healing powerhouse. 3 different types of legumes, each full of fiber. That fiber feeds your good gut bacteria and keeps your digestive system working perfectly. The spinach and herbs add antioxidants, which fight damage in your gut lining. And turmeric, as we already know, fights inflammation. Ash reshte is still made in Iran today, especially on Persian New Year, but its roots go back thousands of years as a medicine for the gut, the blood, and the whole body. Stew number 10. Prophets Talbina. Origin: ancient Arabia, Islamic Golden Age tradition, over 4,100 years ago. This is the stew that many consider the most powerful of all. Talbina is a simple stew made from barley, honey, and milk. It is mentioned in ancient Islamic medicine, and it was described as a cure for sadness, weakness, and sickness of the heart and gut. Modern science has now proven exactly why it works. Barley contains beta-glucan, one of the most powerful gut-healing fibers ever discovered. Beta-glucan feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It reduces inflammation, it lowers cholesterol, and it even stabilizes blood sugar. Honey is a natural antimicrobial. It kills harmful bacteria in your gut while protecting the good ones. Milk provides protein and calcium, which support the gut lining. This simple, 3-ingredient stew, made over 1,400 years ago, contains everything your gut needs. Ancient wisdom and modern science perfectly align. So there you have it, 10 ancient healing stews from 10 different cultures, all working toward the same goal, a healthy gut. These people did not have laboratories. They did not have clinical trials. They had observation, wisdom, and time. And what they discovered thousands of years ago is exactly what modern science is only now beginning to confirm. Your gut is everything. Feed it the right way, and your whole body benefits. Now, you do not need to cook all 10 stews. Start with one. The easiest to make right now, bone broth stew or ginger and turmeric lentil stew. Both are simple, both are cheap, and both will start healing your gut within days of eating them regularly. Add them to your weekly routine, and pay attention to how your body changes. Less bloating, better digestion, more energy, clearer thinking. That is your gut healing. Before you go, I want to ask you something. Which of these 10 stews surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you learned something new today, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. And if you want more videos like this, about ancient health wisdom, natural healing, and the science behind it, subscribe right now and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.